Hello folks, and thank you for stopping by. Well, I'm doing another product review, and this time around I'm doing a review on the Uwatch GT from UMIDIGI. And of course I'd like to thank them for sending this out for a review. I'm really anxious to start playing around with this thing and see what it's about. It's got an interesting, watch face on it too, by the way. So yeah, I definitely want to get my hands on it. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay folks, here's the watch, and like I said, I'm really anxious to get my hands on it and everything, so let's go ahead and start opening this bad boy up. Okay, as you see, it'll come to you in this box from UMIDIGI, of course, and I see that it's sealed up, with some tape here, so I'm definitely going to open that up first, get inside of here. So a little cutting tool here, and well, if you're a regular viewer of this channel, you're already aware that I'm a neat freak when it comes to boxes, and I don't like damaging boxes. I try my best not to mess them up. And oh, I even bumped the camera. Oops. Alright, so let's see. I would have turned it from it, but I didn't want to mess the box up. Like I said, I'm a neat freak when it comes to that, so I'd rather do it this way so I won't mess the box up. Alright, we're getting in there, so we're in there. Okay, good. Alright, here we go. Get a little shake here and there. Did I break the tape? Nope, I didn't. One more time. Let's go at this. There we go. Alright. And here we go. And as you can see, there's the watch itself sitting nicely inside the thing. So we're going to take it out. Alright. So, I'm going to take all this stuff out of here. Alright, now before I take the watch out, I'm just going to take the manual out. Oh man, this manual is kind of thick here. Check this out. I'm definitely going to have to do some serious reading through here. I already know that now already. Alright, so I'm definitely going to read through that to operate the watch. What's this? Oh. Okay, this is their card right here. Thanking you for purchasing and everything. Alright. They even got a website, from what I understand, so definitely want to check that out. Alright, so we're going to take all this out. Take it neatly out the thing here. Oh, what's this? Oops. Why take it out of there? Oh, this must be the charging cable. The USB charging cable for the watch. Let's take it out the package here. Alright. Okay, now this is interesting. This cable looks very interesting indeed. Let me look at this. Let me open this up. Okay. Now this part is of course familiar. Everybody knows where this goes at. And you plug this part into any 5-volt adapter or into your computer to charge, to get your power. But this part right here at the end, this is like interesting. That's how you charge the watch. Okay. I'm gonna put that to the side. Alright. Let's open this, get this out of here. Free it from its paper cage here. And by the way, it's nicely packaged too. They went out their way to make sure that this watch is not damaged. Okay. Alright. So I'm going to open this up. Oh, okay. We got something covering the face here. And well, I guess that's to protect the face and everything. But that's the watch here, folks. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Loosen the strap here. there it is, folks. That's the watch. All this is going on here. Oh, so that's where it goes at. Okay. So this goes under there. Oh, you see that, folks? Oh, I gotta do that again. Okay, let me undo that. Let me try something. Oh, this is clever. Oh, I like this. This is clever. Folks, what they did here is make sure that you don't put this on the wrong way. Alright, let me explain. Okay, from what I'm understanding, when I try to do this, the magnets on here repel. They push back on you and everything. So you know that's the wrong way. It won't go on there whatsoever because the magnets push back. But you turn around the other way, line the magnets up right. This is what happens. It just snaps right on. Look at that. And you can charge your watch, plug into any 5-volt adapter. You're good to go. I like that. That's cool. That is absolutely cool. Y'all gotta see this. I gotta show y'all one more time. Alright, now I got it the right way right now. But check this out. And I get it really close to here. And the magnets just grab on and you're ready to go. You're charging. I like this. This is cool. Alright. So, folks, I'm going to do some more reading in this manual. And then I'll get back at y'all. So stay tuned. Okay, okay, folks. Well, after doing some reading and everything, I found out that that I'm gonna need to basically charge this up first before I start using it. So what I want to do is basically charge up the watch. So I'm going to take this flap off of here that came with the watch in there and take that off of there. Set it aside. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and charge it up. Now remember earlier I showed you this and everything, so I'm going to attach it to here. Now remember earlier, see I got it on the wrong way. See, it won't let me, it's actually pushing away. It won't let me do that, so I'm going to do this. Alright, it's attached as you can see. Alright, we're going to start charging our watch. So to charge your watch, you basically go and plug into any 5-volt adapter. I just found one around the house just now, so I'm going to go ahead and plug this up. Plug that up. Find my AC cord here. Right here. Plug it up. And I'm going to let it charge. Oh, check this out. Check out how it's coming on. Oh. Hey folks, it's at 99%. This bad boy's already charged up. Okay. Well, in that case, just because it's already charged up to 99%, but they definitely recommend that you charge it all the way up to 100. I'll wait. I'm gonna wait. Just be on the safe side. So, when it's finished fully recharging, I'll be getting back at you. So, stay tuned. Alright folks, well, after waiting a few minutes for this watch to fully charge, I kept coming up here checking on it and everything, and now, last time I checked now, that's what it's saying right now, 100%, so it's fully charged. Now the neat part is, all you have to do now, take it off, and it comes on. Now that's cool folks, that's the watch face right there. Hold up. Okay. See that? That is cool. I'm just gonna be pushing some buttons to see what happens. All right, right now that's the power button that turns it on and off right there. And this is the other button up here I'm gonna play with, so I'm gonna tap on that. Okay, it says outdoor running. Well, you see it. Outdoor running, indoor running, so it tracks you running. Okay. This is basically like a fitness watch. Oh, I need to connect it first. It says, well, as you can see on the first what it says, I gotta download that app called VeryFit from the Android store to update the weather. Okay. Oh, it's got a heart rate on here. Oh, see that? It's trying to measure my heart rate. I'm just putting my finger underneath it for a little bit, see if it can read my heart rate right there. Well, I gotta wear it properly. See, I'm not wearing the watch like I'm supposed to. That's why it's telling me that. Call myself trying to be slick, but that ain't gonna work. Yeah, I'm supposed to wear the watch like this, like everybody else. So that's why it told me that. Okay. More functions. Okay. Let's get back to that. More functions. It tracks steps. Oh, it tracks how many steps you take. Okay, that's cool. Oh, that's nice. And as you notice, it doesn't stay on too long. You know, it comes on, shows you what you need to see, and then it goes off. That saves battery power. So this watch right here, your battery will last a long time on here. I can definitely see that. Alright. So, what I'm going to do now is basically download the app and bind it to this watch. So, stay tuned. Okay, folks. Well, after I finished downloading the app onto my Android phone, also I think you work on your iPhone too. Just look for this app called VeryFit Pro. Right now, I already downloaded it to my phone, so all I'm going to do now is open it up, get it up and running, and there we are. Right now, it's not seeing anything because it hasn't been binded to the phone yet, binded to the watch yet. So what I'm going to do is turn on the, go over, find the section that says device. I'm going to hit this little thing on here that says bind device. I'm going to hit that. Now it's telling me to turn on my Bluetooth. So I got to turn my Bluetooth on now. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Hold on. What am I doing? Let's see. Oops. Okay. I'm going to hit confirm. And as you can see, the Bluetooth is now on. It's searching for the device. It's literally searching for this watch right now. Oh, okay, I gotta turn on my location feature on here too on this phone. So it wants the location. Turn that on. Alright, go back. Location is on. Okay, it found it. That's the watch we want to bind. Uwatch TT. Alright, so I'm going to tap on that. Give it a few moments. Shouldn't take too long. Right now it's communicating with the watch. The watch and the phone is talking to each other. So now it has finished binding to the watch. It wants me to confirm that this is the watch I want. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit confirm bind. And the watch just literally said it binded. Okay, so let's see what's all about on here. Alright, so I'm gonna go through the features now. It's connected. Is it? It's 27 degrees outside right now? Oh, that's the weather function right here, by the way. Well, it can't be that cold. Man, oh my goodness. Alright. That's the heart rate. More functions. I'm just playing with it. Oh, okay. It's got other functions on here too. So I believe that's the exercise thing. Okay, that's another function. So this puts it into exercise mode. So while you're exercising, it's constantly checking out what you're doing, and it actively looks at it. That's where that green flashing is coming from. So it actively will be monitoring you. So that's cool. That's nice. I'm gonna take it out that mode now. Hold down the button again. Turn it off, and now it's off. You don't see no flashing no more. Oh, that's cool. Alright, well, let's look through the app that it's bound to now and see what it's all about. So, details. I haven't done anything on it yet, as you can see. I haven't done no walking, no nothing of any kind. I haven't done anything. Nothing at all. I'm going to use, I haven't logged in on this thing yet or whatever. So right now I haven't done nothing with this watch. So what we're going to do is we're going to go outside, put this bad boy on, walk outside, and see how it performs. So stay tuned.
Well, folks, I'm out here in the middle of winter walking around, and yes, I got the watch on. Let me see if I can get it to come on. There we go. See? Oh, it went off again. See? I got it on and everything. And I gotta tell you, it's definitely wonderful. I was able to read, let's see if I can get it on again. There we go. I think you can see. Well, it only comes on when you flick the wrist and everything, but it's a pretty nice watch. It counted all my steps, and right now I did over 6,697 steps so far. And that was just this morning because it started over and all that. So it starts over at midnight when it starts counting your steps and everything. So that was very interesting. Yes, it is cold out here. Baltimore is very cold right now. But yeah, this is a pretty nice watch. I mean, it's nice on the wrist and everything, and of course with the app, you find out more stuff about what you've been doing and everything, so that's cool. So I definitely like this watch. You know what? I like it so much, I'm gonna provide an Amazon link in the bottom of this video, so you better get it for yourself. So well, thank you for watching, and have a great day.